you okay?
Are you okay? I'm fine. Look, a message came through. We have to take the mountain trail.
But if we take Eagle Pass, it'll save us half a day.
It's blocked. Mountain trail is dangerous, but we can do it.
I'm beginning to see there isn't anything you can't do.
I'm seeing a few things too, and it's making the ice melt.
I hate bears!
You two guys ought to learn how to swim someday. You'd be very good at it.
Yes, well, of course we were. We were in the water. We were moving. We got wet, didn't we? Look! We were swimming!
Oh! Ah! Clumsy.
No, you're not. You're hurt.
Fine. Ah! Oh, maybe I'm not so fine. You should all go ahead without me.
Jenna.
No, I'll be slowing everyone down. Rosy can't hold out much longer.
All right.
Muck, you and Luck carry Jenna back to town on this.
And this time, don't take time out for a swim.
You can make sure of that, Boris. You're gonna lead them home.
Hey.
Just follow my marks.
You're going on alone?
I can handle anything.
Here. Afraid it won't keep you very warm.
Yeah, it will.
Well, of course Balto will come back. He's Balto, isn't he?
Hey, I'm coming back. With the medicine. I promise, Jenna.
Anytime.
Go ahead, guys. Take her home.
Balto, I do not like leaving you out here alone. I was going to tell you how cold you are.
Boris. They need you even more than I do.
Okay. Let me tell you something, Balto. A dog cannot make this journey alone. But maybe a wolf can. Right! You two balls of fluff! Let's move! 3! 2, 3, 4.
No, stop. Cannot send more antitoxin. Stop. Weather too severe. Stop. Lost sled team, only hope. Stop. Our prayers are with them. Anchorage. Stop.
Is that
Balto, how did you find us?
Is anyone hurt?
Everyone is fine.
Yeah, but our Musher hit his head. And he didn't get up.
And he's not moving.
All right, follow me. I can lead you home.
We don't need your help.
Well, maybe we should listen to him.
Well, how would you get us home, Dad?
Well, I marked the trail. Like this.
Oh, yeah.
I'll get us back. I'm the lead dog. I'm in charge.
Then let me take back the medicine. They're getting sicker.
2 bones says Steele takes him.
You run.
Yeah.
Who do you think you are?
Hey, this is gonna be good.
Steele, let me help.